Hi everyone. Have you ever dreamed of having a flower on fish with a massive head, vibrant colors, and unmatched aggression? If so, you are in the right place. Welcome to Blue Aquatics, where we reveal the best kept secrets of the pros. In today's detailed video, we will break down 20 powerful techniques to groom your flower like a champion. If you want to see your flower transform into a show quality fish, then stay with us till the end. So let's get started. First one is choosing the right flower breed. Not all flower fish have the same genetic potential. To groom a high quality flower, start by selecting a fish from a reputable breeder. Kampha and Zhenzu strains are known for their stunning neutral humps and vivid coloration. Choosing a young fish with symmetrical body shape, thick lips, and prominent forehead growth. Additionally, observe the fish activity level before purchase. An active, alert, and aggressive fish is a good sign of healthy genetics. Look for strong fin structures, vibrant coloration even at a young age, and a pronounced head shape that will grow significantly over time. Second is ideal tank setup for growth. A spacious tank is key to healthy and well-developed flower. A 55-gallon tank is a minimum for a single flower, while a 75-gallon or large tank is ideal. Use a powerful filter to maintain water clarity and oxygenation. Ensure proper tank cycling before introducing your fish to avoid stress and diseases. The tank should have a minimalistic design with enough open space for free swimming. Flower-ons are very active and need room to move and display their full potential. Also, adding a strong filtration system such as a canister filter or some filter will help maintain superior water quality. Frequent monitoring of ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels will prevent toxic buildup, which can hinder growth and color enhancement. Third is perfect water parameters. Flower-ons thrive in slightly alkaline water with a pH between 7.4 to 8.0. Maintain a stable temperature between 28 to 30 degrees Celsius or 82 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit to boost metabolism and color enhancement. Invest in a reliable heater and thermometer to prevent temperature fluctuations, as sudden changes can cause stress and illness. Besides pH and temperature, maintaining water hardness at a moderate level ensures optimal growth, which is near to 8 to 12 DGH. High quality dechlorinators and conditioners should be used to neutralize harmful chemicals in the tap water. Regular testing with a water test kit will help keep these parameters stable. Fourth one is high quality diet for maximum growth. Diet plays a crucial role in grooming a flower. A balanced diet should include high protein pellets, which have minimum of 40% protein, fresh shrimps, krill, and bloodworms for vibrant colors, spirulina and astaxanthin based foods for redness enhancement, occasional live food like mealworms and feeder fish, quarantine to avoid diseases. Feed small portions multiple times a day to ensure proper digestion and avoid overfeeding. Feeding should be done in a controlled manner to prevent bloating, a common problem in flower-ons. Additionally, including fiber-rich foods such as peas once a week help in digestion. Varying food sources every few days keep the fish interests and maximizes nutrient absorption. Fifth point is special food for head growth. To develop a large head, specialized foods like Exo Hempy Head, Grand Sumo, or Kiko Platinum is recommended. These foods contain ingredients that promote head growth and body mass. Rotate between different high quality brands for optimal results. Apart from commercial food, adding natural protein-rich supplements such as live crustaceans or high calcium fish food can further enhance head growth. However, excessive high-fat foods should be avoided as they may lead to fatty deposits, which could deform the head instead of enhancing it. Sixth is regular water changes and tank maintenance. Perform a 30 to 50% water changes every 3 to 4 days to remove waste, toxins, and nitrates. Clean the substrate and filter media monthly to prevent ammonia spikes. Clean water not only promotes growth but also keeps your flower stress-free and active. It is also recommended to vacuum the substrate to remove any uneaten food particles, which can decay and lead to bacterial infections. Adding beneficial bacteria supplements helps maintain a healthy nitrogen cycle. A stable routine of maintenance ensures a stress-free environment, encouraging better color development and active behavior. Seventh is proper lighting for color enhancement. Flower-ons display their best colors under bright, white or pinkish LED lights. Keep the tank well lit for 8 to 10 hours daily to enhance pigmentation. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent excessive algae growth. UV lights can also be used in short bursts to enhance the fish iridescence, while artificial lighting boosts coloration. A consistent photo period should be maintained to prevent unnecessary stress. Overexposure to light can make the fish restless, so an automatic timer for the lights is recommended. Eighth is use of mirrors for aggression boost. Flower-ons love to display dominance. Place a mirror in the tank for 10 to 15 minutes daily to encourage heat butting and active movement. This exercise helps in developing their head and strengthens muscles. However, it is crucial not to overuse the mirror technique as prolonged exposure can lead to excessive stress or aggression. Providing occasional natural interaction with reflections mimics territorial behavior and keeps the fish engaged without harming its mental well-being. Ninth, hand training and bonding. Interacting with your flower daily helps in personality development. Move your hand around the glass to encourage following behavior. Over time, you can train your fish to make food from your hand, which enhances their confidence and aggression. Hand training also helps in monitoring the fish health closely, as it allows the owner to detect early signs of disease or stress. Consistent interaction builds trust, making it easier to groom, clean, or even perform minor health treatments when required. 10th is avoid overcrowding. Flower-ons are highly territorial. Keep them in a communicating tank can lead to stress, fights, and even injuries. Maintain a single fish setup to maximize their full potential. Overcrowding can cause extreme aggression, leading to injuries that may result in permanent scarring or infections. Even in breeding setups, a divider should be used to introduce mates gradually. If housing multiple flower-ons in separate tanks, keeping visual barriers between them can help reduce territorial stress and prevent continuous aggressive displays that drain their energy. 11th, encouraging proper swimming patterns. A well-groomed flower-on should have powerful, confident swimming patterns. To encourage proper movement, ensure the tank setup allows free-flowing movement with minimal obstructions. Use a strong but adjustable water current to stimulate natural resistance, which strengthens the fish muscles. Avoid overcrowding decorations as flower-ons require open space for free swimming. A weak or sluggish swimmer may indicate underlying health issues, so monitoring their activity is crucial. 12th is stress reduction techniques. Stress can hinder a floweron's growth and coloration. Ensure a stable environment with minimal disturbances. Avoid sudden loud noises, unnecessary tank relocations, or inconsistent lighting schedules. Stress coats and immune boosters such as Indian almond leaves or API stress coat can help your fish feel relaxed. If your floweron shows signs of stress such as clamped fins or dull coloration, check water parameters and provide a quiet, secure environment. 13th is use of vitamins and supplements. To maximize health and head development, incorporate vitamins and supplements into your floweron's diet. Products like Vitacam and liquid garlic extract can boost immunity, digestion, and coloration. Probiotics also improve gut health and nutrient absorption, ensuring your floweron gets the most out of its meals. Simply soak pellets in vitamin-rich water before feeding to enhance their effectiveness. 14th is handling common health issues. Even with the best care, floweron can suffer from diseases like hole in the head, itch, or bacterial infections. Prevention is key. Maintain pristine water conditions, a balanced diet, and quarantine any new fish or live food surfaces. If your floweron falls ill, promptly treat it with medicated food, salt, baths, or prescribed medications like API General Cure or CHM Paragard. A hospital tank setup is beneficial for treating sick fish separately without affecting the main aquarium. 15th is regular exercise through interaction. Engaging your floweron in daily activities help maintain its alertness and muscle tone. Use a feeding stick to encourage movement or place obstacles in the tank temporarily to stimulate agility. Providing a tank divider with another floweron, if space is allowed, can also trigger natural competitive behaviors, keeping your fish active and energetic. A well-exercised floweron will display better posture, aggression, and muscle tone. 16th is choosing the right tank mates. Although flowerons are best kept alone, some owners successfully introduce tank mates like placos, large catfish, or similarly aggressive cichlids in massive tanks. If attempting this, monitor interaction closely to prevent fights. A stressed or injured floweron will not develop properly. If aggression becomes uncontrollable, a solitary setup remains the best option for full grooming potential. 17th, maintaining a consistent routine. Flowerons thrive on routine. Feeding, tank cleaning, and lighting schedules should be consistent to avoid stress. Frequent changes in routine can lead to irregular behavior and slow growth. Try feeding at the same times daily and maintaining a set photo period to establish a stable environment. A well-planned routine results in healthier and more predictable floweron. 18th, seasonal care adjustments. As season changes, so do water conditions. During winter, ensure your heater maintains stable temperatures, as cold water can slow metabolism and weaken the immune system. In summer, use cooling fans or an air-conditioned room to prevent overheating. Keep an eye on pH fluctuations and increased algae growth in hot months, as these factors can impact water quality. 19th is grooming for competitive shows. If you plan to enter your floweron in competitions, specialized grooming techniques are required. This includes controlled lighting exposure for enhanced color vibrancy, a highly specialized diet plan for head development, and regular mirror training to maintain aggression and posture. Additionally, ensure the tank water is pristine, as any stress or illness can dull the fish overall presentation. Professional competitors also use tank backgrounds and lighting angles that highlight their floweron's best features. 20th, lifelong monitoring and care. A well-groomed floweron requires continuous monitoring throughout its life. As the fish ages, dietary needs, and activity levels may change. Senior Floweron may require softer food and less intense exercise. Regularly inspect your fish for signs of aging related health issues such as slower movement or decreased appetite. Adjusting care techniques as the fish grows ensure it remains a showstopper for years to come. So at the end, and there you have it, 20 expert level tips to groom your Floweron like a true champion. By following these techniques, you can transform your fish into an absolute showstopper with vibrant colors, a massive head and unmatched aggression. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Blue Aquatics for more premium fish keeping guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to help you. Happy fish keeping everyone!